Okay, so we're told that Sam is drawing a pie chart to illustrate his monthly expenses, and then they tell us how much he spends on rent, food, transportation, and miscellaneous. And then they say there's no other expenses, and what's the degree measure of the sector devoted to miscellaneous. So the first thing we need to do is add all these up. And for quick mental math, just to let you know what I do, I see that 300 and 300 are 600. 3 plus 3 is 6. And then I think, oh, well, 6 plus 4 is 10. And then 10 plus 5 is 15, so it must be 1,500. Like, instead of going in order like this, okay, those two are 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. Like that, it's a little easier to say, oh, these two are 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 is a nice round number, and I can go on from there. Okay, so we've got 1,500 total, and we want to know the sector that miscellaneous is going to be, so we need to make a fraction of 400 over 1,500. So that's what I do over here. Another quick tip is that if I have a 0 in the numerator and a 0 in the denominator, I could cross them out. So we've got 2 on top and on bottom. I could cross those out so that I just have 4 over 15 as my fraction. Now, a pie chart is made up of a circle. A circle has 360 degrees. So I need to say 4 over 15 is how many degrees over 360 degrees. I should have put a little degree sign there. So whenever I see a fraction equals a fraction, my first thought is cross multiply. So I'm going to multiply 15 and x, and I'm going to set it equal to 4 times 360. 15 times x, and then 4 times 360 is 1440. I need to get x by itself, and x is multiplied by 15. So I'm going to do the opposite and divide by 15. And then I'll be able to cross these two out, because anything divided by itself is 1. And 1 times x is x. And then I say 1440 divided by 15, and I get 96 degrees. And that's the sector.